It's Mocktail Monday, and today we're taking our act on the road. Hello, and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today we're visiting the Village Diner in Milford, Pennsylvania, where we're collaborating on an upcoming mocktail project. Here's a sample of our work so far. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of Earl Grey syrup, made from melting 1 part sugar to 1 part Earl Grey tea, 1/4 ounce fresh lemon juice, and 4 dashes of Angostura bitters in a chimney glass. Fill with chilled grapefruit seltzer and stir. Perfect for high tea with the Queen or just a break during the workday. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.